everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
development of kidney and ureter. Now, our today's topic is very much easy and very much interesting, and my favorite topic because it's related to embryo. And when I talk about embryo, when the lecture is regarding embryo, I am much happier because it's my favorite subject. So let's start the topic, that is development of kidney and ureter. First, we will gonna talk about kidney. So basically, at the beginning of fourth week, kidney start develops into, like, from intermediate mesoderm it develops, and basically this whole development process of kidney will occur at the end of at the cranial end, basically. Okay, the final location of the final position of the kidney in our body is abdomen, but initially in fetus, in the beginning, in the development, it is at the cranial end. Okay, one more thing, kidney develops into three sets. Okay, now the topic starts. First set will develop and they will degenerate, the second set will develop, then it again degenerate, and the third set will develop, and that third set will develop into permanent kidney. Okay, this is the overview. Now the first set of the kidney development of kidney is called as pronephroid. Okay, this pronephroid develops around at 22 or I guess 23rd day, but you will say the early fourth week. In the early fourth week of human development, or the fetal development, the first set of kidney develop, that is called as pronephroid. That pronephroid will further develop, and gradually it will move towards the caudal end, and it forms a tube. That tube is called as pronephric tube. ठीक है, क्रेनियल एंड में इंटरमीडिएट मेसोडर्म डेवलप करती है एक स्ट्रक्चर जिसे हम कहते हैं प्रोनेफ्रॉय. वो कॉडल एंड की तरफ मूव करता है, ट्यूब बनाता है, दैट इज प्रोनेफ्रिक डक्ट. ओके, दिस प्रोनेफ्रिक डक्ट विल चेंज इनटू मेसोनेफ्रॉय. ओके, हाउ आई विल टेल यू. नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड set, which is called as mesonephroid. Okay, the mesonephroid will develop at the end of fourth week. That pronephric duct which develops from pronephroid, that pronephric duct is now known as mesonephric duct. Okay, and this mesonephric duct in adult, they will form epididymis. Okay, which we will discuss in future, but this is the topic regarding pronephroid and the mesonephroid, which are the first set of the kidney and the second set of the kidney. These both set of kidney will degenerate, and then another set of kidney will develop. Okay, the second set of the kidney, which is mesonephroid, that will develop at the end of fourth week, and it will degenerate in the 8th week of fetal development. Okay, basically in the 8th week of fetal development, the mesonephroid, the second set of the kidney, will degenerate, and the third set of the kidney will start developing in the 8th week. Okay, so now the third set of the kidney, which is very much important, that is metanephroid. Metanephroid is the third set of the kidney. It develops into 8th week. Okay, and basically what happens, this consists of two parts. Okay, metanephroid consists of two parts, uteric bud and metanephrogenic plastemia. So basically in 8th week, first of all, how this whole process of metanephroid starts. Basically at the end of mesonephric duct, a diverticulum arises. That diverticulum is called as uteric bud. That uteric bud, obviously it will form into glomeruli, it will form into Bowman's capsule and collecting tubules. Okay, but around that uteric bud there is a mesenchyme. That mesenchyme forms metanephrogenic plastemia. This metanephrogenic blastemia will develop into proximal tubule, distal tubule, loop of Henle, and after the development of these tubules, that will connect with the collecting tubule and the Bowman's capsule. Okay, so the whole structure of nephron is formed. Now you will ask how kidney will form. So basically, we all know that kidney consists of billions of nephrons. So after, so basically at the end of 12th week, when around 2 million nephrons are formed, when 2 million nephrons are formed, develop basically, then that is called as kidney. And after that, obviously, till the end of the delivery, till the process of delivery, when till basically birth of a child, the nephron continuously growing and growing by due to the factor 10 and so on. But you have to remember कि किडनी जो है वो बेसिकली 2 मिलियन नेफ्रॉन्स जो है वो 12 वीक के एंड पर बन जाते हैं. तब आप कह सकते हो कि एक किडनी है. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे और किडनीज भी डेवलप होते हैं बर्थ से पहले, लेकिन बर्थ अगर मैं बात करूँ 12 वीक की, तो 12 वीक में 2 मिलियन नेफ्रॉन्स बन जाते हैं. वन मोर थिंग, okay, this was the whole topic, but one more thing regarding this topic which is very much important, that initially this kidney develops in the cranial end, yes, it is present in the caudal end, basically in the pelvis. Okay, but the final location, the final position of the kidney is in the abdomen. So what happened, the caudal end of the embryo will elongate, and then that kidney which is present in the pelvis will achieve its final location, final position, that is in the abdomen. And this is the whole process of the development of kidney. This was the whole topic. And obviously the mesenchyme around the kidney, in the kidney, they will further develop and they will form the ureter as well. So this was the whole topic regarding kidney development till there and the ureter development. Till then, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.